Hi, this is Ani. I'm Ani Day Trades on Twitter and on StockTwits, and I'm here with the Dow Jones Industrial Average chart once more to look at the pattern as it's developing, and I've been talking about for the past few weeks at least. And if you taking a look at it, it is developing quite well the way we've been talking about. This is the baseline right here that we're looking for testing. First of all, we're very close to it. And if we look at this trend line right here, this one that I put in a while back, and extend it here to the right, you can see that we could be possibly bouncing off of that area, which is roughly the 14.85, and we are right now at the 14.911. So there's a possibility of bounce right here. However, if it breaks down and completes this pattern, is really not completed until about this area, which is the 14.520, and perhaps a little bit above there, 14.650. So that being the scenario of this playing out, and then of course after that there's always this possibility down here, but that I can foresee that there's this mid-range that it can bounce again, has a baseline and bounce from, and then before reaching this critical previous all-time high for a test. As I said, this is where I see where the test coming to completion. However, there is a possibility of a lower. If it bounces from here, certainly look for this resistance here at the 15.5, as it has met in the past couple of days, and then of course look for this higher region of resistance here at the 15.3. Not this is the bounce back, what I'm foreseeing, which is roughly about the 50% from this area. Okay, so that would be the pattern expectation here. All right, let's take a look at the SPX, if I can find it. If I type it in correctly, it certainly helps. Yeah. Okay, here we go. SPX is behaving pretty much the same way, a little bit sharper level on these patterns. I mean, these trend lines here. If I extend this again, this is what I'm expecting to bounce from. You can see that there is a right here, we have a support, and it can play out much earlier just because of this pattern, this trend line right here. So that would be expected. If it turns around sooner, then we're looking at resistance here, depending on how strong that move is, and then we'll be probably moving much higher, faster from the 1700 there. Let's take a look at the NDX. And we can see that this is really still very much a sideways channel move, actually. At this point, I think I can call it that. And just moving back and forth, up and down here. If it breaks down, then look for resistance here at the 3152 area, and I mean support right here, and of course the resistance is this high on the above side, a little bit below perhaps at the 3244 playing out, 3244.45 playing out there. Okay, and that's it for today, and this possibly this week. We'll see how things develop, and trade it well and carefully as always. Always keep in mind what can be happening according to the patterns on your chart. Have a good one. Good luck in the markets, and bye bye.